What? You need something. You want some ice cream for sale. Wait lang. And it's for the you can drink of ice cream. Okay. You want other one? Okay.
Wait, ano nga yan?
Not the ice cream, a cupcake. Yep. Okay. I'll look at the last cupcake. Sorry, I not I have to.
Asan?
Ito yung pwede. Pwede.
Saan? Ay, ito pala. Ito na.
Here's your ice cream. You know, want
Ano
ice
yung
cream?
bicon game?
Okay, what do you want?
Ano
Ka-
yung meaning ng bicon
Cake.
game?
We need to luto the cake. So,
What is the fraction of the red
Fraction? Ah!
tell me na you want,
Diba yun yung
Hey.
tawag sa buong ano?
Ayan na. Malapit na. Ayan na. May kulay yellow.
Hematocrit? Ano yun?
Yan! Hematocrit. What is the
okay, done.
pinaka-definition ng white blood cells?
Definition na tawag.
Tawag pala.
Leukocytes.
So,
The 5 types of
No!
She's your-
Hindi ko alam yun! Hindi ko nakabisado yun.